Hello everyone! Today we are going to see the unboxing and assembling of Preethi Zodiac mixer and grinder with 5 jars. We bought the Preethi Zodiac through Amazon and the product reached us without any damage. It was beautifully packaged and all the parts were checked and they had sent us. We bought this for 6,300. The MRP that has been mentioned in the box is 9,100, but we bought it during the sale, during the October sale, so we got it around 6,000 only. When you open the box itself, they have mentioned a lot of details on top of the box, the names of each parts and how to assemble each part. Instructions have been given on top of the box itself. You also get an instruction manual where they give a lot of details, but here in this box also they've mentioned a few details. So let's open this box and see what are all the jars and what are the attachments that come along with this Preethi Zodiac. This mixer grinder is 750 watts in power consumption. The approximate gross weight of this machine is around 8.5 kg. You get 2 years guarantee and the motor warranty is for 5 years. And if you're in India, you get a free service from Preethi for lifetime. These are jar lids. These are 2 jar lids with a spatula. So for a very long time I was wondering if I should go for this Preethi Zodiac because my family is a small family and I did not know if this machine would be too big for us. This is a citrus press. This attachment is very handy. To get this citrus press in a food processor or a mixie is very useful and very advantageous. This is the juicer. I got this Preethi Zodiac along with the juicer because I make a lot of juices at home and I thought maybe it will save some time and make it a little easier to make these juices every morning. But you also get the Preethi Zodiac without the juicer attachment. If you don't make a lot of juices at home, you can skip this and go for the other choice also. So I have been wondering for a very long time if I should buy this Preethi Zodiac because our family is a small family and I did not know whether this machine will be too much for our family. But finally I got this as a birthday gift, so I've got it and I'm reviewing it now. This is the famous MasterChef jar. This is 2.1 liters in capacity. This is the jar that chops all the vegetables and kneads atta dough, does everything for us to make our lives easy. The design and color combination of this Preethi Zodiac itself is very nice. It looks very beautiful and very sleek. So let's see what are the parts inside this MasterChef jar. This disc is called as the blade holder disc. This is where you attach the grater and the slicer. This is one blade called as the chopping blade. This helps to chop all the vegetables very fine. The next blade is the atta kneading blade. This is the coupler. You need to attach this coupler for all functions, only then the machine works. Then you get 2 other blades. This is the slicer and this is the grater. All these blades have come as attachments as part of this MasterChef jar. These 2 attachments are for the juicer. One is the extractor blade and the other is the spout. The extractor blade is where you use to extract coconut milk or tamarind juice, or if you want to juice any hard and fibrous fruits or vegetables, you can use this extractor blade. Next, these are all the regular jars that we normally get with a mixie. This is the reason why many people choose Preethi Zodiac because it comes with all of these attachments together in one machine and it saves so much of counter space. You don't need a separate space for each of these machines. Everything comes together and it's very useful. Everybody in India knows about these jars. This is the dry grinding jar. This is 1 liter jar. The first jar that we saw is 1.5 liters jar. I also bought this Preethi Zodiac because all of these jars come together in one machine itself, so it saves a lot of space in the kitchen. This is the main unit. This is called as the base unit. Now we'll clear up all of these things and we'll start seeing how to attach each blade to its unit. This video is only covering the unboxing and the assembling part. If I do the demo also, this video will become a very long video. I will add the link to the other demo video in the description box. You can check that out if you're interested. The design of this Preethi Zodiac is like a tripod and it has suction grips at the bottom. So once you place the machine on the counter, it sits very firmly. At the bottom you also have a reset button. If at all you overload your mixie jars, then there will be a red light flashing. Then you have to switch off the mixie, turn the mixie over and press this reset button. That's why they've given that reset button. The machine grips very nicely to the counter, so that is also very advantageous. Next we'll see the MasterChef jar and all of its attachments. This is the blade holder disc. You have to attach the slicer or the grater in this blade holder disc. This is the coupler, and then you have two blades, the chopping blade. This is the chopping blade and then the kneading blade. This is the grater. All of these blades are made in stainless steel and it is very sharp also. And this is the slicer blade. All of these blades are stainless steel except for the atta kneading blade, that is in plastic. This is the MasterChef jar. The total capacity of this MasterChef jar is 2.1 liters. You can remove the MasterChef jar from the base. The base is called as the gear unit. It is written in this gear unit that you should not immerse this unit in water. So you can't wash this under running tap water, but you can wipe it clean. But you can wash the MasterChef jar under running tap water. It's very easy to fix this gearbox with the MasterChef jar. They have a very simple locking system and very easily you can snap it in place and then you can fit it in the base unit. After you fit it firmly, first place the coupler. Only if you place the coupler, this machine works. So whatever blade you want to use, whatever attachment you want to use, you have to first put the base unit, the coupler, and then only put in all the other attachments. Now we'll see how to fit the slicer or the grater to this. There is a small projection, a knob like projection in the grater or the slicer. You fix that first inside the blade holder disc and then snap the other end and it fixes very firmly. While removing also, remove the unit from the other side lightly and it comes out very easily. Again, see the slicer, there is this small projection. Insert that projection first and then snap the other end. While removing also, gently press the other end open and you can remove the slicer out very easily. The lid of this MasterChef jar comes with a pusher. This pusher has two functions. One is, if you are going to knead atta dough, you can use the markings given in this pusher itself. So there is a marking for water level and the flour level. You can use it for that, or you can use it for pushing the veggies that you cut while using the MasterChef jar. While using the grater or the slicer, you can use this pusher to push the vegetables inside. Next we'll see the citrus press. This also has a very easy locking system. It locks and it sits in place. The citrus press coming along with a food processor or a mixer is very useful because it saves so much space in your kitchen. This thing is called as a citrus cone. Place the citrus cone on the citrus press and you can use this to juice even 1 kg of oranges. You have markings on the MasterChef jar, so you can see how much of juice you're juicing. Next we'll see the juicer. This juicer comes with two attachments. It comes with two blades. One is this blade. This blade is used to juice soft fruits like watermelon or apple, pomegranates, muskmelon, all of that. This juicer attachment also has very clear instructions which side to turn to lock or unlock. It also has a arrow mark and a lock pointing to it. So if you place it and close it clockwise, it fixes very firmly, and then you can fix it to the base unit. While using this blade, which is used for juicing the soft fruits and vegetables, you get a pusher also. This is the blade for the soft fruits. Along with this, you get a pusher. So once you fit the juicer in the base unit, this is called as the juicer lid. Fit the juicer lid also, and then you can use the pusher to push your fruits inside. So you can use only soft fruits for this blade. Cut it into pieces and put it inside and keep pushing it with the pusher, and then you can make the juice. This blade is called as the cutting assembly, and the black portion is called as the housing unit. It's very easy to remove it and to clean it also. Next we'll see the next blade, which is the extractor blade. This extractor blade should be used when you're juicing hard and fibrous fruits or vegetables like maybe beetroot, carrots, or if you want to extract tamarind juice or coconut milk. Fix the jar similarly by aligning the arrow mark, and then you can place it on the base unit. For this extractor blade, you don't get any pusher. For this, you should not use any pusher. You just have to put the lid, and then you can use it to extract any juices. In the next demo video, I'm going to show you whether I like the juicer, how I've used the juicer and the MasterChef jar. So don't forget to watch that video. This is again the normal 3 mixing jars that we normally get with a mixie. I am not going into details about these jars because we all know about these jars, so everybody knows about it. Next I'm going to show you the extension cord. I'm going to show you how long it is. I measured this extension cord and it comes to about 50 inches. It's quite long, so you can fit it very easily. You can place the mixie at a distance and you can reach your socket also. Fit it in and switch on. Once you switch on, a blue light will start glowing. This blue light changes to red color if you overload the jars. That is when you have to switch off the mixie and then turn the base unit over and press the reset button that I showed you earlier. So the MRP mentioned in the box is 9,185, but like I mentioned, we got it through Amazon for 6,300. There is an instruction manual and a warranty card inside the packaging. If you have any doubts, you can check the instruction manual. It's very detailed. This video was all about unboxing and assembling the Preethi Zodiac. I have used this mixer and grinder for close to 2 months now, and in the next video it's going to be in great detail. I'm going to give a very detailed demo. Check the link in the description box and do watch that video as well. Until next time, bye bye.